Now this isn't my best work, but I gave it a shot. Using this color dye into the beard definitely helps out the line be a little more visible, and that's the downfall of having blonde hair, is the fact that when I do stuff like this, when you're not having either dark complexion or darker hair color, you really can't see the line. So I'm just giving something new, and I didn't really want to go into the hair. I thought this would be like an opposite version, but just something fun to try out. We'll see how this goes, but like I said, not my best work, but I mean, in the camera and how it like swoops right up into the brow, we give it a shot. So I hope this was fun. If you'd like to try it, let me know. And then I also use that Burrito from Beardscape. Check it out on the link if you guys need some clippers like that. Barber style clippers might work as well. But yeah, give it a shot, see what you like, and yeah, let me know what you think. See ya.